Joe Beermaster here. Today I'm going to show you how to change a fuse and how to identify a fuse that is blown. This vehicle was involved in a collision and we cannot get the turn signals to work. The marker lights work, but the turn signal does not work, which is the part that flashes. And if we go on the inside, we're going to see that we're going to put the key in and we're going to hit the hazard buttons, and there's no flashing, so that means there's a fuse out because there's no broken wires. That's the first thing you want to check. So what you want to do is go through your owner's manual and try to identify, look up fuses, try to find out where the fuse is for the hazards. But if it's another fuse other than the hazard or something else, you may want to check all the fuses. So in most cars there's a engine compartment, power center, and there's also one inside the car, and it's usually under the dash somewhere, but this one's under here. And if you look carefully, you got squeezies. There's different variations of this. You need two hands really. Pull that lid off, and if you don't have the owner's manual, you can see in here there's a little template that tells you what the fuse boxes are, what each fuse is for in the box. So it's very hard to see. So what I did, I got a needle nose plier and I started pulling each fuse out. I'm going to give you an example. We pulled this fuse out, and I don't know if we can get a good line of sight on this. Let's see if it clears out. You can see right there it's connected. You can see the wire connecting both ends. So that is a good fuse. So I'm going to go through every fuse where I could use the template and find the one for the hazard. But sometimes there's multiple fuses. We're going to put that back in. So I've already pre-done this. I've identified this one. And if you look at it, you can see it's a blown fuse. And I'm going to lay that one down. In this case, you can see there's a gap between the two lines right there in the center. See, there's a break right in there. That is a blown fuse, and that is for the hazard. And we're going to replace the fuse with one that's not broken. So you have broken, not broken. And one thing you have to pay attention to is the amperage. Blue is 15 amp. We're going to replace it with a blue 15 amp. Because it is rated for that. If you have a higher than amperage than that, we'll put that right in. It could cause a hazardous situation or a fire because it's supposed to blow, you know, if there's something wrong. So now I'm going to check the lights. I'm going to put the key back in. And I'm going to hit the hazard button, and now they're working. I'm going to start it, check the turn signals. Now they're working. Because of the collision, there was damage to the bulb. Could be damage to the bulb or the wiring. In this case, there was damage to the bulb, which set the fuse off, and so now it's repaired. That's what you want to look for when you change fuses. Remember, there's also a fuse box somewhere inside the car. Each car has a different place. You can find that in the owner's manual. You just look around for it. They're usually in little compartments. Under the dash, it could be in a little change drawer underneath where your feet are. You look up under there. There's different locations. Joe Beermaster. I hope this helped, and thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.